Hello, Confidence Pool Picks Nation. I'm here to show you how to make picks using our Confidence Pool Picks money picks. So, here's the website. This is week 1 in 2018. I'm going to go ahead and click into the post here. So we have the free picks up here, but we're going to scroll down to the money picks, which you get with a premium package. And here I show you the base picks and what the pick that you're supposed to make. These are the teams that you're supposed to pick, and here are the base points you're supposed to pick for them. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Yahoo Pick'em. There might be other websites that you use, but the one that I'm in is Yahoo. So I click into my schedule here, and this is where we make the picks. First thing I'm going to do is pick all the favorites, because that's most 99% of the time is going to be the favorites are going to be the ones on Yahoo are going to be the ones that you're supposed to pick as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click through all these. Then I'm going to go look over here and see how many points I should give to each one. I will start by using base points, and that's how we all want to start, is using the base points. In the long run, this will probably be the best thing to use with the highest number of points. We'll have to adjust with the shorter terms or to try to beat other teams with the money picks. But we're going to start with the base picks. So first of all, I see my first game is Philadelphia and Atlanta. So the first game here is Philadelphia. That's for 3. So I'll pick Philadelphia for 3. Second one here is Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is here at 9. I'm just going to do this on down the line. So 9, Indianapolis. 5. Okay, so I filled them all in based off of the base picks here. So if you see here, Miami, Arizona, Philadelphia, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Miami is here, 1. Philadelphia is at 3. Arizona is at 2. So here are the base picks. If you just go with these picks, you'll do pretty good in the league. You're going to at least be in contention every time. But sometimes if you want to go ahead and win the weekly games, or if you need to set yourself apart in a larger league and you want to take a little bit of risk and try to go for the win, you have to make some different picks. And those are the money picks that we have listed here. These are the colored ones. You can probably read about some of these in some of the reports that are out here. You start with the basics and move on to these 3 different picks. Today I'm going to go look through here, and I think I'm going to go make a relatively risky pick. So I look at Cleveland, the Browns here. They're just coming off an 0-16 season, and it looks like only 8% of the people are picking them. With only 8% picking, but they have a 34% chance of winning, so this looks pretty good. This team looks like maybe it's a worthy of an upset pick. I have a 30-40 team league, so it's actually pretty small, so I probably don't need to make that big of a upset or risky pick. But I'm going to anyway, just for fun. So I'm going to take Cleveland, and I'm going to make them the winner. So I'm going to pick them, and then I'm also going to push them up all the way to 16 points. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to find Cleveland right here. So Pittsburgh's favored, but I'm going to go with the upset pick with Cleveland. Put them all the way up to 16. And then now when I go to 16, the one that shows 16 now is now no longer showing 16, so I'm going to make that 15, and then on down the line. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So there you go. I've got all this. Move Cleveland to 16, making an all-in pick on Cleveland. Don't forget to hit save picks. I've done that before where I haven't saved it, and now I'm saved. You got to fill in these other tiebreakers here. These are the scores. Usually what I'll do is I'll look at these. This is LA Rams from 9, so it looks like they're supposed to win by a lot, so we'll do 31-17 or something like that. Jets in New York. It looks like Detroit's supposed to, Jets and the Lions. It looks like Detroit's supposed to win by a lot, so it's 12, so I'm going to put them at like 31 to maybe 10 and do that. Tiebreaker 2, who has scored the most points this week. I look at some of these higher ones. New Orleans and Tampa, I'll say New Orleans. And then who scored the fewest points, I'll look for the teams that are The other team, so in this case, like in Tampa Bay or maybe Buffalo, we can put it as the second worst team here. Hit save. And there you go. I've made the picks. I picked the Cleveland all-in as an upset. You don't have to do that. It depends on how much risk you want to take, how many people are in your league, and how much you want to push it. So there's a demonstration of how to use the confidence pool picks and putting into a Yahoo league. So hope that helps. Best of luck to you.